Guys, in today's video we talk about investments for young adults. 3 investments every young adult should make if they want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. These are investment opportunities where you're going to put in your money, and at some point your money will be working for you, and everyone want to achieve that. You want to get to a point where your money is working for you. The first investment opportunity as a young adult, I believe, is joining a circle. Now, I do not mean you go here on Google or on anywhere else and start searching for the best circle and join them. No. The best way to join a circle, according to my experience, is joining the one that you know people around. For example, when I joined a circle, I talked to my dad and I told him I wanted to join the circle that he was part of, and it was easy for me. And the reason why you want to join a circle where you already know people in that circle is because of guarantors. The whole idea of joining a circle as a young adult is that you're building yourself, and you may get to some point where you need a huge amount of money at the same time. And truth be told, borrowing in a bank is very expensive, and also you may not have something to show that you can actually pay that money. But if you've been putting 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 in a circle, it will be very easy for you to borrow from the same circle, and also you have guarantors around you. You will have your parents, your aunt, your brothers, your sister around you, and they can easily sign for you. And truth be told, the whole idea of joining a circle is at some point maybe you'll be stuck or you need a huge amount of money. With less commissions, circles will come in handy. And take it from me, I joined a circle in my early 20s, and right now I can be able to borrow millions of money. And the thing about it is, when you're just starting out, you can put as much as you want. For example, a circle was my first investment option that I ever made. I used to put 10k, 12k, 20k in that circle, but then I didn't have anywhere else or any other avenue to put in my money. Right now, I do not put in that huge amount of money in a circle because I have found other avenues, and also my life has expanded. I used to be single, I have a family, so I would advise you to start from wherever you are. You can put in as much as you have as you explore other investment opportunities. The second investment option is joining a money market fund. Right now, money market funds are very famous, and many people, and especially on TikTok, are talking about money market fund. And this is where you put in your money and it gives you daily returns. For example, the easiest example I would give, if you decide to put 5,000 funds in a money market fund, and there's so many at this point, I am into CIC money market fund. If you put in money into the money market fund, for example, let's say 5,000 every month, for a whole year you would have saved 60,000, but it would have earned you over 5,000. Now 5,000 may sound very little to some people, but think about it. If you put in that 5,000 in a savings account bank in a normal bank, at the end of the year you'll have your 60,000 in there. But if you put it in a money market fund, it would have earned you over 5,000. That is a good investment, and your money will be working for you. The interest that will be earning on a daily basis, that's your money working for you. Remember guys, wealth is built. It is a process of building wealth, and some of these big people or wealthy people that you know, they started out with small investments. Talking about money market funds, I am so passionate about money market fund, and guys, I wish when I knew about circles is when I learned about money market fund, because it would have been a better investment option for me. But I do not regret. Right now I am so passionate about money market fund, and I think every young adult should have an account with money market fund, and you can put in as much as you can. Guys, I just told you, for example, a few years back when I joined a circle, I used to put up to 20,000 in a month in a circle. Why? Because I didn't have avenues to put in my money. Right now, I have a family. I just started paying school fees for my son. That means I do not have a lot of idle money. But for you as a young adult, probably you staying in a bed sitter, how you don't have school fees, you have very few bills. this would be a good investment for you. The third investment opportunity for young adults is investing in treasury bonds and bills. This is where you loan the government. Treasury bills is a short-term investment which matures within 91 days, 182 days, or 364 days according to what you decide. And this means if you invest your money in treasury bills right now, you will receive it back within 3 months, 6 months, or an year, depending on what you chose. On the other hand, treasury bonds are medium to long-term investment and their maturity ranges between 1 to 30 years. These are good investment opportunities for a young person, and if you have money, I would advise you to consider either treasury bill or bonds. To invest in either treasury bills or treasury bonds, you will need a CDAC account, which is easy to open. If you're just starting out, you can go for treasury bills and let your money stay in there for a few years. I can promise you the returns is going to be great because your money will not be affected by the inflation. But if you put that money in a normal bank account, it's going to be affected by the inflation and you're going to actually be losing money. As a young person, if you want to build wealth or if you want to walk into financial freedom, you can start with any of these 3 investment options. Start with a money market fund, join a circle, buy treasury bills or bonds, and start and see how it's going to proceed. I can promise you it is the best starting point, and I believe any young person who want to achieve financial freedom or who want to build wealth should start investing with these 3 investment options. Anyway guys, let me know what you think. A money market fund, a circle, treasury bills or bonds. And also let us know down on the comment section which one have you joined or which one are you considering joining as soon as possible. And guys, do not procrastinate. Before I joined these investment options, I took time. I procrastinated about it. Do not procrastinate. If you have money, just go register, put in your money there and relax. If you have like 500,000 in a normal bank account, put it in treasury bills. If you have like 1M in your bank, put it under money market fund or under treasury bonds and watch it work for you. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video.